automated everything with Google Gemini. I have created a Google Sheets in which I enter the idea as well as the media link that I want to post on my Instagram account. Now over here, using the idea, automatically Gemini generates the caption for me. And from my Google Sheets and Gemini, automatically an Instagram post is going to be created. What if I tell you, you can also do this right now just by creating this amazing automation once using Pabbly Connect. So first of all, let me show you how this amazing automation is going to work in real time. I will enter the new idea as well as the media link in my spreadsheet, and then I'll check whether automatically the caption and the post is created or not. Okay, so let me add in the details like the idea first. Idea is top mistakes people make in their skincare routine. Okay, content type is going to be post, media type is JPG, and for the media link I have entered this media link in my Google Drive folder. So I'm going to share this media link from here and paste over here in this field. Okay, I have entered the details. I've entered this. You can see right over here the caption has been generated automatically. With that, the status is also entered as created. So let me open my Instagram account and refresh this profile page from here. And as I've refreshed the page, you can see right over here, this was the same media that I've uploaded over here in my Google Drive folder. With that, also a caption, avoid these common skincare mistakes to achieve healthier skin. Read our latest post to see if you are making any of them. Okay, you can see the post is automatically created on my Instagram as soon as I've added the data in my Google Sheets, the idea, content type, media type, as well as the media link. Gemini generated the caption and created the post. Okay, so now we are going to learn how you can create this amazing automation for yourself as well. Okay, simply on a new tab, browse www.pabbly.com/connect, and Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. Before we create this amazing automation, I want to talk about Pabbly Community. Now, Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members but also the fellow users. Over here, you can share your ideas, feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly community today itself. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay? On the landing page of Pabbly Connect, you will find two options: sign in or sign up for free. Now, if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, sign up for free from here and get 100 free tasks every month to explore more features of Pabbly Connect. But if you're an existing user just like I am, directly sign into your Pabbly Connect account from here. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I will click on this Access Now button, and Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now, to create a new automation inside Pabbly Connect, we have to create a new workflow. For that, click on this button. If you want your workflow to be more modern, faster, and flexible, select this new beta method version. But if you want your workflow to have more stable and familiar approach, select the classic version. I will select the new beta method version from here, and firstly it is asking for the name of my workflow. So for the name of this workflow, I will give over here as Google Gemini Automation. Okay, for the folder, these are the folders from which I'll select the workflows folder. To create your own unique folders, from this plus button, you can name them and create it. Okay, click on this create button and the workflow is going to be created. Inside Pabbly Connect workflows, there are two major steps: trigger and action. These are the two main principles of automation. Trigger gives the commands and action follows the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action inside the automation. Over here, we're going to set up our trigger step first, in which for my trigger application, I'll select Google Sheets and event as new or updated spreadsheet row. I want that as soon as I will enter the idea of new Instagram post in my Google Sheets with the media link, I want this trigger should capture the response of that. That is why I've selected these details. Click on this connect button. You will find the webhook URL and some steps to follow in order to create a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Copy this URL, log into your spreadsheet. From the panel, go to extensions, add-ons, and get add-ons option. You will land towards this window right over here, on which you will see the section search apps. Over here, you have to search for what? Pabbly Connect webhooks. Install this application inside your Google Sheets, because using Pabbly Connect webhooks, we are going to create a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Okay, After installing, go back and refresh the spreadsheet first. After refreshing the spreadsheet, what you need to do is you have to go to extensions and you will see the section Pabbly Connect Webhooks. Click on it and select the option Initial Setup from the drop down. Initial Setup dialog box is going to appear in front of you, on which you have to paste the webhook URL right over here. And for the trigger column, it says the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that raw data will be sent to the webhook URL. In this spreadsheet, my trigger column is going to be column D, because in this column I will enter my last data, that's the media link. I want that as soon as I will enter the media link in this column, the entire row's data should be forwarded towards this webhook URL. Okay, that is why I will write the trigger column as column D and click on this submit button. As soon as I've done that, it says setup configured successfully. Now go back and follow one last step that's super important. Okay, go to extensions and Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then simply click on this send on event option. It is mandatory to click on send on event because this spreadsheet is instantly going to share the new data to Pabbly Connect with this event, that is send on event. Okay, so now this is how you create the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. If you're going to go back to your workflow, it will say waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether this connection is successfully done or not, what I will do is I will enter the new idea, content type, media type and the media link right over here and check whether automatically my trigger captures the response of the new details or not. Okay, so now let me enter the details right over here. For that idea, I will write it as the idea is benefits of using hyaluronic acid daily. Okay. For the content type, I will enter the content type as post. My media type is going to be JPG. Now over here, I will enter the media link. So now from where you will find the media link? Your images that you are posting on your Instagram profile. I have posted all my images over here in my Google Drive folder, and I have made this folder that I've created accessible to everyone. You can see it says shared, so that the automation that we are creating can have the access of the media link as well. Okay, and this is the post that I want to share with this idea. So I'm going to simply click on the share button right here. This is the link. I'll copy it from here and simply go back and paste this media link over here in my Google Sheets. Okay, you need to have this sharing link as well, as if it will be private, your automation cannot have the access and Instagram post cannot be created. So make this entire folder shareable to anyone with this share option right here. Okay, I've copied the link from the Google Drive and pasted over here in my Google Sheet. So let me open my workflow now and you will see the response has also been captured right here. You can see the media type was JPG, post type, content type is post. The idea is benefits of using hyaluronic acid daily, and you will find that this is the same media link. If I'm going to copy it and open it on a new tab right over here, you will see this is the same media link that I've posted. Okay, so now the response has been captured in the trigger. This means that Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now let's move forward. Now what I want is we have the idea over here. The idea is benefits of using hyaluronic acid daily in this trigger. Now using this idea, I want to generate Instagram post captions, and for generating captions, I will use amazing Google Gemini. Okay, now for that, add an action step in which for the action application, search over here for Google Gemini. You will see the option Google AI Studio Gemini, that is Google Gemini only. Event is going to be generate content. Click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will add a new one. For that, we have to provide the API key. To have the API key, go to this hyperlink Google AI Studio right over here. As soon as you will come to the Google AI Studio, go towards this Get API Key on the bottom left corner. After coming to this page, click on this Create API Key button. Name the key. So let's suppose I'll write over here as new post added as the name of my key. After that, over here it is asking for the project. For the project, let's suppose I will select the project that I've created, my AI project. You can create your own project. Click on this Create button and the key will be generated. Okay. So this is my key right over here. I will simply copy this key over here and paste over here in this section and click on the save button. This is how you build a connection between Google AI Studio, that is Gemini, with Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the text. Text is the prompt using which AI, our Google Gemini, is going to generate us unique captions. Okay, in this text I have to mention whatever I want and what I don't want. It's a prompt that we are giving this AI. Okay, so now for this text, our prompt, I will write over here as, so now over here this is my prompt. You are an expert Instagram caption writer, generate an Instagram caption based on the details below input. Now over here I have to give the idea and the content type. Now for the data of these fields, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Click on this field. You will see like this previous step is going to appear in front of you. Click on it, and in this response we have received the idea. So this is the idea for which I want to generate the caption. So I'll select the idea from my previous response. Now as soon as I've selected this idea from my previous response, the data in this field has been mapped, and as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the content type right over here. I have written the rules: write the entire caption in one single line only, do not use any line breaks, do not use any emojis of any kind, keep the caption simple, clean and professional, add 10 to 15 relevant hashtags in the end of the same line, no quotes, no code blocks or markdown. Okay, one single continuous line that includes hook, short explanation, CT and hashtags all in one line. Okay, I have given the prompt exactly what I want. If you want to change anything, you can add in your own points accordingly. For the model, I will use Gemini Pro latest right over here, so I'm going to search for it and select it. Okay, for the methods, I'll generate the content from here and simply click on this save and send test request button. And as soon as I've done that, within few seconds, you can see right over here I've received the response in which the caption is generated by Gemini. Unlock daily hydration and youthful glow with hyaluronic acid, a powerful house ingredient that locks in the moisture for visibility plumper skin. Make it your daily skincare essential with other tags. You can see right here hashtags. Okay, so as now this caption is generated, now let's create a post where on our Instagram profile. Now over here there is one thing. We have added the link, the media link in our Google Sheets, and this media link is from where? Google Drive folder. A media cannot be shared on Instagram directly from our Google Drive folder link. So we have to convert this link in an uploading link. For that, simply add an action step in which for the action application, just simply select over here file uploader by Pabbly, using which we can upload a file and get a URL that we can post on our Instagram. Event is going to be upload file get URL. Click on this connect button. For the file URL, I will map the data of this media link that I've received in my Google Sheets step. And for the file name, I will simply name this file the same idea right over here, dot. And then we have to enter what type of the media it is. I have also received the media type in the response. I'll map the data of that right here and simply click on the save and send test request button. And as soon as I've done that, you can see I have received this file URL right here. And if I'm going to copy this URL and post it on a new tab, this is the same post that I want to create on Instagram. Now we have received the file URL and the caption. So what are we waiting for? Let's create the Instagram post. Add an action step in which for the action application, select over here as what Instagram for business. Event is going to be create, upload, publish post. I'll select this, click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will add a new one. For that, click on this connect with Instagram for business. And now over here, this is my account, so I'll continue with this account as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. We have to select the account where we want to post. I want to post it over here in Jesse Matthew 12, so I will select that same account right here. For the photo URL, upload this file URL right over here that we have received in the file uploader by Pabbly. For the caption, I will map the data of the Google generated AI caption, Gemini caption right over here, and simply click on this save and send test request button. It will take few seconds to create a post on Instagram, so you have to wait for the response right over here. So we are going to wait now. And within few seconds, I've received the response in which I've received the ID and the status as success. That's a positive response. And if I'll reload the page of my Instagram profile from here, you will see a new post with that same image and the Gemini generated caption with the hashtags has been created on my Instagram post. So I've just taken the example of a skincare business in this video. You can generate captions and create posts on Instagrams in whatever category you want. It can be skincare, fashion. If you're a content creator, you can use this automation for that. If you have a business owner to promote your business, you can add in post for that. Okay, so now the post has automatically been shared on my Instagram profile. Now I have added two other fields in my Google Sheets right over here. One is for caption and one is for status, and I want to know that as soon as I will add in these details, I want to know that whether the caption has been generated or the post has been created or not. For that, simply what I will do is I will add a last action step right over here, in which for my action application I'll select Google Sheets. Event is going to be update row. We are going to update the data in our spreadsheet. Click on this connect button. If you want, you can select the existing connection from before. I will add a new one. For that, click on this sign in with Google. This is the account where I've created the spreadsheet. I'll select it. And then it is asking for the permission for the account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. For the spreadsheet, I'll select Instagram content as my spreadsheet. Sheet is going to be sheet 1. Row index, I'll map the data of the row index that I've received in my first Google Sheet step. And then over here, I have to update this caption. So I'll map the data of the caption from my Gemini step. And for the status, I'll write over here as what created, okay, as the post has been created. And then simply I'm going to click on this save and send test request button, and as soon as I've done that, that is a positive response, and you will see right over here, yes, the caption and the post status has been updated as created. Okay, so now this is how you create this amazing automation without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. So did you see how simple it is? Gemini can automate your caption creation for your social media post without you lifting up your finger. Just add in your idea and media link. Automatically the caption as well as the post is going to be shared on your Instagram profile. Your content creation is going to be very smooth, and you do not need to stress out about thinking on different captions. Okay, so if you like this workflow that I've created and you want to use the template instead of creating the entire workflow, I've added the free shareable link of this workflow in the description section. Go ahead and use this template today itself. With that, if you have any questions or doubts related to this workflow, or any ideas of Gemini or any other AI or any other automation that you want us to create a video on, you can comment down below and we'll help you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.